Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This video is going to show you how to redirect the output of one command to a file and the terminal at the same time. This is helpful when you want to see what's being redirected to the file as it's happening in real time, so you don't have to wait for the command to finish before you open the file. Let's jump right in. To redirect the output to a file, you typically use the greater than symbol. So I'll get a full listing of all processes that have the effective user, Ray, and we'll redirect that output to a file. And to view what was redirected, we take an extra step and cat the file. And this works well enough, but if you have a program that requires minutes or hours to run, and you want to see its output as it's being written to the file, you can pipe the output to the T command. Then add the file here. So here's what's going to happen. Standard out from this command will be sent to the T command. Then the T command will write that output to the terminal and the file you gave it. And just like the greater than symbol, it will overwrite the entire contents of the file. And now we can see what's being written to the file as it's happening. Now what if we want to append the file the way the double greater than symbol works? You use the same command, but then you add a -a for append. And now we should see the same output twice in this example. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing to my channel where I cover all things Linux. Have a great day.